Welcome to your personal step-by-step guide. Tax Return Review and Authorization. The first step is to navigate to your tax organizer to view your draft tax return. You do this by selecting from the top menu, Entities, Entity List. Then, click your name. Once inside of your entity, you need to click View in the blue bar to enter your tax organizer. Once in your tax organizer, you need to select the Tax Return tab to view your draft tax return. Here you will see your draft tax return that was uploaded by your tax preparer. You will review the return by clicking through the numbered steps and turning on the Comments feature to make comments or ask questions anywhere on the document. Click on each step. When you are ready to authorize your tax return for filing, click the Authorize button and select the digital signing option. You must complete an identification verification before you may digitally sign. You will need to enter your first name, last name, date of birth and last four of your SSN. Complete all of the signature and date fields provided by your tax preparer. Click the green Finish button after completing all fields. Once you confirm, you will see a message that you are awaiting confirmation of filing by your tax preparer. After completing authorization, return to the Overview tab, check off your responsibilities and click the Notify Tax Preparer button. Once your tax preparer has successfully e-filed your tax return, you will see a message in a green bar, so be on the lookout for this confirmation.